bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. I'm frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no ebony.
Hello guys, welcome back to Veeology. If you are not subscribed to my video, what are you waiting on? So guys, today what I am going to bring to you is how I got my fireplace to look like this for a holly jolly Christmas. So if you want to see how I did my fireplace, you know what to do. Stay tuned.
What to
was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. Lovers know well, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. Lovers know well, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. Lovers know well, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. Lovers know well, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. Lovers know well, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay.
our fireplace in up. I absolutely love it. I'm going to give you kind of like a rundown of where some of the things came from. The underlayer green garland, I've had that about 3 years, and if I'm not mistaken, I did get it from Hobby Lobby. These red hollyberry strings, it came from Target, the Threshold brand, and I've had them for about 3 years also. These poinsettias, guys, I have no clue where I got it from, but I do. It was in another, oh goodness, I can't remember what you would call it. It goes on the table, brain farmed. And I took it out of there and I had it just thrown in the box. So as I was putting this together, I wanted not a pop of color, but something to brighten up. So I saw these poinsettias, so I decided to go ahead and grab the poinsettias and bring them in. Also, I made a cluster of 3 red balls, Christmas balls. These balls came from the Dollar Tree, so I add those in. Then down on the swag, I add hollies. I add some of the same decorative Christmas balls. I do have a white bird on the bottom. So this is what it is. And besides that, I did add in the lights. And on the bottom, guys, I have all 3 of my lanterns all together. I did put hollies in it, as you've seen. And also I put my tall candlesticks in there. So guys, now further ado, now I'm ready to go ahead and bring you into what it looks like at night. So guys, I will not be returning. I will see you on tomorrow upload. And this is Vlogmas Day. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know I will say at the end of all of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until tomorrow, guys, happy holidays.